Hey, good morning friends. Welcome to Kitchen Garden with me. Today I am show you how to grow coriander in grow bag in my kitchen garden. For this I have made potting soil using mixture of 2 parts of garden soil and 1 part of cow dung manure. For planting, dig narrow trenches about 2 cm deep and 2 to 3 inches apart. To avoid waiting for transplanting, I prefer seeds sown directly in soil. So these seeds I have brought from local market. These are ready-made splitted seeds. So let's sow directly. Coriander thrives well in temperature range between 15 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius. My grow bag is 3 feet long, 1 foot wide and 1 foot in height. After sowing, it is necessary to cover the seeds with soil so that birds don't disturb seeds and help to develop humid conditions and speed up germination. Friends, it's very beneficial to use grow bag for vegetable as it is very easy to move the grow bag wherever you want. Apply water to the covered seeds so that required moist condition develops. If you haven't followed my page, please do follow Kitchen Gardening with me. It will take 7 to 8 days to germinate. See how well it germinates. To prevent root rots, avoid over-watering. I water in the morning so that excess water evaporates during the day. After 12 days, good soil drainage maintains health of root. It requires less but regular and steady watering to keep the soil moist. Just like spinach, it can be grown in partial sun. After 24 days, for steady supply of fresh coriander, we have to sow the seeds throughout the growing season in every 2 to 3 weeks. For easy growth, we apply compost once in fortnight. Avoid overwatering. As shown in video, when plants attain height of about 6 to 8 inches, then it can be harvested. Coriander has been used as a spice for cooking worldwide. In very simple way, coriander can be grown at home garden. That's all for today. I hope you enjoy it. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe because we always come up with great videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.